Yep.
I'm Rob Grover, and today we're going to be shooting things with reballs, which are soft, rubber, paintball replacements. What we're going to be shooting today is things commonly found within a college gym. The first item we are going to be demonstrating is a common household light bulb.
You already knocked out Mrs. Jackass.
You can cut stuff out, right?
Yeah.
Are you still rolling?
Tell me when you're ready. Are you ready right now?
I am ready right now.
This paintball marker is currently chronoed to 250 feet per second. After we shot a few, this is just fine. And if you see it, you rolling. As you can see, there is no damage to this light bulb. No cracks, no indents, and not even a single mark left on it. Our second item is a relatively thin piece of glass. As you can see, it is much thinner than a pencil. This is the type of glass that would be used in a cabinet inside your house or something like that. This is not an outdoor type of glass. Once again, this paintball gun is chronoed to 250 feet per second.
Back out your headphone. You get jammed.
It's not even that, it's just we're not gravity feeding past the feed nest. As you can see, this piece of glass has absolutely no cracks in it.
Active droid.
Our last and final test is another piece of glass. This would be the type of glass that we commonly use on an outdoor window. As you can see, it is relatively the same thickness as this pencil.
We're good.
As you can see from our demonstrations, reballs impact is not great enough to damage anything that could be commonly found inside a college gym.
I'd like to thank our sponsors.
As you can see, the thick piece of glass obviously didn't get any cracks. It's the thinner piece of